did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are, but where we were before. Since nothing ever changes, we're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out of do. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Oh, I would never last for very long. What we are doing